Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens app how to refill prescription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to refill prescriptions in Walmart or Walgreens app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Walgreens application, and then once inside be sure to log in with the credentials as well. And once logged into your account from your interface, what you need to do is simply tap on the prescriptions tab on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside your prescriptions, then you'll find an option that says refill by scan or manage auto refill. Simply select one of the options, and then once you are there, what you need to do is you'll see a list of active prescriptions. Choose the one you want to refill, and if eligible you'll see a refill button. Simply select whether you want to pick up at your chosen Walgreens or home delivery if available. Then once done, review all the details, and once you have reviewed, simply tap on the submit and refill on the bottom or on the top right corner of the screen. And once you have done that, you'll get a confirmation screen and later a notification when it's ready. Note that you can also scan your RX label barcode using the refill by scan option in the app, or you can. Not all prescriptions are available for online refill. The app usually gives you the earliest refill date if you try to soon. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.